We hear a lot about how artificial intelligence and machine learning are going to change the world and how the Internet of Things will make everyone's lives easier. But what's the one thing that underpins all of these revolutionary technologies? The answer is data. Let's see in this video what data science is all about. Data science is the process of using data to find solutions or to predict outcomes for a problem statement. Let's take a real-life example where we try to make decisions based on data. Let's say we want to book a tour online for our next holiday. How do you go about doing this? Usually, you make a bunch of decisions to make the purchase. You start with picking a portal which you're going to use. You shortlist the websites where you can book tours. Within these, you try to find out the ratings for each. Maybe you only consider those for further steps whose ratings are above 4 on a scale of 5. Rest you discard. Then you look for a discount and say filter out those who offer a discount greater than 20%. In this way, you zero down to 1 or 2 websites which you use to finally make the purchase. This is just a basic example of how we usually make day-to-day decisions. In this way, we can answer a lot of questions using data science. For example, when we take a cab and want to go from location A to location B, what's the best route to take so that you require the least amount of time? There could be many factors such as traffic, bad road, weather conditions, and all these form the inputs, and a decision regarding the route has to be made with the help of those. Another example is of Netflix TV shows. Netflix and other channels have to perform this analysis to find out what kind of shows people are watching, what kinds of shows people are liking, and so on and so forth. They use this information to sell to advertisers because their main source of revenue is through advertising. Predictive maintenance is another major application of data science. Will my refrigerator or car break down in the next 2 years, and so on. Now, let's look at the different steps in this process of data science. First, asking the right question and exploring the data. In other words, what is the problem that we are trying to solve? After you address this, you'll have data which you will explore. For example, cleaning it and so on and so forth. All this comes under exploratory analysis. Then you move on to modeling. If you are doing machine learning, you need to decide which algorithm to use, and then you need to train the model and so on. Then you run your data through this model and come out with results of this exercise. These include visualizing it and finding ways to communicate them to the concerned people. In conclusion, data science is about extraction, preparation, analysis, visualization, and maintenance of information. It is a cross-disciplinary field which uses scientific methods and processes to draw insights from data.